Hello, Chole Eric here, your PayPal expert. In this video, I am going to explain the possible ways you can withdraw money from TikTok. As of now, the only secure method accepted by TikTok is withdraws through PayPal. Well, remember you cannot withdraw money from your TikTok account using mobile money. You cannot withdraw money from your TikTok account using bank cards, credit or debit cards. Well, you are only able or the only secure method to cash out money from TikTok here in Uganda is through PayPal. But before we dive into that, I have a quick request for you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow up our TikTok account. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with others who might find this information helpful. Now let's get started. First and foremost, we specialize in setting up verified PayPal accounts for TikTok users here in Uganda and other African countries. Having a PayPal account is crucial because it is currently the only method you can use to withdraw money from your TikTok account. Remember, you can't use mobile money, you can't use bank cards. Those that are getting challenges, we are here for you. Well, so let me break it down for you. If you are in Uganda or any other African country and you would want to cash out your earnings from TikTok, as you can see here, TikTok has sent you 147.65 USD, not from TikTok, and the account as well as other details. This is the information or a message from TikTok. Well, let's go back. You need a PayPal account. Here's how you can get a virtual PayPal account that enables you to cash out money from TikTok. First of all, the information that is required for account setup is a copy of your national ID, email address, phone number, and then your address. That is the information we require from you for us to be able to sign you up a fully verified PayPal account. Once your PayPal account is set up and verified, you'll be able to withdraw money from your TikTok directly to your PayPal account, as you can see. When we click on withdraw, they will take you where you add a payment method and they are requesting you for a PayPal account. Since this account is already linked with a PayPal account, they won't enable me to add another PayPal account. But simply you are going to see that this account is already connected with a PayPal wallet that I use to cash out money from my TikTok account to PayPal. Later I withdraw using my bank account. Well, it is a straightforward process and provides a secure way to access your TikTok earnings. Now, you might be wondering how to check if you have money in your TikTok account. To do this, you need to meet certain follower and engagement requirements set by TikTok. Keep in mind that these requirements may change over time, so it is essential to stay up to date by visiting TikTok's official guidelines. Well, that is pretty much. PayPal is the key to withdrawing money from TikTok here in Uganda and other African countries. Always prioritize the security of your account, never to share your account details with anyone because you want them to help you cash out money from TikTok. And follow TikTok's guidelines to ensure a smooth cash out process. If you want to learn more about withdrawing money from TikTok or using PayPal for this purpose, be sure to stay tuned to our channel for upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your TikTok friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as following our TikTok account PayPal Uganda for more valuable insights. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, this is Chole Eric, your PayPal expert, signing off. Have a fantastic day.